I've built a decommissioning process for the tools that support it. Unfortunately, our current stack, some vendors, Huntress, not throwing shade, don't really support anything useful beyond reporting from their API, but the rest of our tools do. So we've got this form, which is, well, this workflow, which is messy and I hate it. I just haven't cleaned it. That'll go grab a PC out of AnyBot, create a ticket, add some notes telling us, we're going to go and we're going to offboard a computer. It'll see if a device is in each tool. So Huntress, Sentinel One, and then any. And as it can, it's going to go in and ask Huntress, remove yourself from AnyBot if the device is online. Same thing for Sentinel One. For services like Sentinel One, where we can decommission from their API, we'll do that. And then I had to do a custom call to remove AnyBot because there isn't an action yet, but that was really easy to do. And from here, we've implemented it two ways. We've got a form, so we can let people say, I want to select a device, why they were removing it. And then it also has a listener that can help us set up device disposal. We'll kind of coordinate disposal services for our customers. So that goes over to the team that handles that. Or we have it in app platform. So when they're inside our warranty report, they can go in and just say, I want to get rid of this one. And then it'll fire off. I'm not super happy with this yet from an app platform standpoint. I want to refine it a little, but this is still alpha for us. So I'm not kicking myself. It's not pretty yet. But that was my short and simple automation. Just decommission stuff, kind of save on some stuff from a repetitive standpoint. It makes it easy for clients. And as we're building in billing reconciliation, being able to take the assets and computers that we already have deployed and remove them from someone's agreement is going to be key to us, because we want people to be able to self-manage to an extent. Say, well, this thing's no longer needed. Let's quote a replacement and dispose it. And we're getting there slowly but surely. Yeah.
Are those sub-workflows all things that you use in other places where you're just kind of plugging them in when you need them, or are they things that you created specifically for this?
Yeah, so like this one, this is actually a remove software for AnyBot sub-workflow. So it'll go grab the computer and do a bunch of stuff. Same thing for like Huntress removed is a sub-workflow to add time to a ticket, because we're going to bill for that time. I think that one's like 2 minutes of labor, but it's something that we're going for. But yeah, I didn't do so much modular with the Huntress and S1 stuff just because it's an action, but the rest of it is almost all the same actions, just in sub workflows.